I will show you how you can buy Saitama coin using your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet. I will show you both process. Just simply tune in my video and watch how you can do that. First, I will show you what is Saitama. It's a community driving token, guys, and they want to develop the solution for the next generation of investors, and they provide solutions to educate the next generation of investors. First, they include that it has NFT based launchpad platforms and the multi channel content platforms. Guys, the Saitama is currently stage of 3 to 5 in its roadmap, and it will further achieve the most milestones in the next few months. Guys, so let's start the video. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Guys, you see here Saitama price, how they increasing rapidly. It's a daytime graph. When I open it 7-day graph, it's up almost up into 100% within 7 days. Here it's a point 0.2 Satoshi, and now it's a point 0.8 Satoshi. Almost it's guys 100% profit when you buy its releases. So let's start. For this you have to open your Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet. I have Trust Wallet and MetaMask. I will open both. First I will show you from Trust Wallet. So open your Trust Wallet from here. Then here at the bottom here is the application D app. When you open its D app, here in the search bar, search Uniswap. When you enter the Uniswap, here this website appears. Open this from your browser app of Trust Wallet. Here this interface will appear. Then click on here launch apps. So here when you enter a launch app, they automatically connect your wallet with your Uniswap. For this you have your Ethereum token in your wallet. If you do not have Ethereum wallet, Ethereum tokens, first you have to transfer your Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. Okay guys, when you have here Ethereum token, put here Ethereum address and here Ethereum amount, and select a token. Here you have to put the contract address of Saitama from, take here from website. For contract address, open the Brave browser or any browser you have, and from the coin market cap open the Saitama token. Here you can see it's a contract address of Ethereum. Copy that from here. I have copied. So then paste here that address or token will appear. So select on the import button, import. Okay, this will appear. When you enter here Ethereum, then automatically they detect how much Saitama. Here you see a lot of Saitama will appear here, almost 15 trillion Saitama you will buy with that amount. Okay, I have not any Ethereum tokens, so I will just show you how you can buy easily from Trust Wallet. Simply with the MetaMask wallet is also same guys. Open your MetaMask wallet. I have here MetaMask wallet. So with MetaMask wallet, open here a browser, 3 dot click. Guys, if you don't have a MetaMask wallet or Trust Wallet in your phone, I have already uploaded videos regarding how to make Trust Wallet account and how to make MetaMask wallet account. You can search in my channel and watch that how to make wallet, how to create a wallet. Here you can also type Uniswap here. When you open Uniswap here, so it will connect with my MetaMask wallet, the Uniswap website. Same here you can put Ethereum, how much Ethereum here, and put here the Saitama token address. When you paste it, so here it's not showing me how you can. So again I will copy that address from coin market cap here. So I paste here. So here you can check Saitama token will appear. Import here from them. So Saitama will appear. How much Saitama you want to? Okay, I want 0.2 Ethereum I will used. So how much Saitama is here? You see millions of Saitama will you can buy with these tokens. Okay, I have insufficient Ethereum balance now, so this is the way how you can buy Saitama token precisely. So thank you so much